Hey man, check out my Hey man, check out my lowrider. It be so low. It's so low that I cannot see the bottom. If I had to see the bottom, I'd have to pull down the pants of it to see the bottom. But that's fucking weird. I can't do that. You're so crazy, you 8.0 megapixel Galaxy S2 camera. Do you understand what it means to be a free bird? I don't think you do. You gotta fly. You gotta fly so far away, man. You gotta pick up some pillows in some hot long johns and just sway, and then get a plastic bag, put it over your head, and do your curls. Do your curls all night. Just put in some good, nice, I don't know, like brown reddish curls, and then get up another pillow and put it over your head and just sing, man. Sing like you've never done before, because you will need to do it when you need to impress the wallpaper, because the wallpaper is your friend, and the light bulb told you that being its friend would be a disaster, and you need a doorknob because you need to open the door to another dimension. And if you don't, you realize what's going to happen? You're going to be a Galaxy S2. And a Galaxy S2 is in the Galaxy S3. It's one number below. That means you're going to be screwed. So, Galaxy S2, screwed. But if you get the light bulb working, you can be on US Cellular. And you know what the 3.5 headphone jack says? He says, I'm just a little light, man. I got the light bulb that flashes. It's a good flash. And the volume rocker up and down, it like rocks all night. It's so great. I need to get some power in my phone, because the blue man said he'd be here. But you know what? I see a power cord, and the power cord is telling me that the blue shoe on the floor is not a good enough pay raise. I need to get more money for my children, because if I can't open the door, who's going to open the door for me? No one. No one's going to open the door. Who? The doorknob? The opening the door? The hot long johns? Who? The pillow? No. Not the plastic bag. Nobody going to do it. I need help now. Thank you.